show you guys my journey on installing this bad boy on the car. Took me a while. I've had it on for a couple weeks now. I'm telling you, this is probably the best mod that I've done yet. Like, you just add so much aesthetic to the back. You can pan the camera right there. You can see this gives it such an aggressive look on the back. And yeah, this was pretty easy to install. Took me about 2 hours, I think it was. But yeah, show you guys how to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. So this is this tutorial, right, for the rear diffuser on a 2019 Q50. We did put on the weight onto this a couple days ago, and I recently got the carbon fiber diffuser, and this one's about to go on right now. About to make the whole rear end pretty much complete, besides the bulked out tail lights and all that stuff and the chrome delete. You know, we're gonna put it on, clean this all, clean the whole area up, stick it on, drill holes on the bottom of it, make sure it's stuck, and we're gonna be done, guys. So I just wiped it down. I sprayed the soapy water on it, wiped it down. So this is how it is, looking all shiny and clean. Don't forget to put the part as well. All right now, so I have put the diffuser on, right? Not done yet, but this is how it looks like right now. How to do is screw in these bolts right here onto the bottom of the diffuser to keep it intact down there. And then, yeah, you just gotta use your impact drill right here. Put your little screws in it, just screw away. That's it. All right, YouTube, so using this impact drill right here with the screws, I was able to put on the tapping screws into each side of the bottom part of the diffuser. So I'm just show you guys what I did. So I put one screw there, right there. All right, that's not going nowhere. Put another screw right there. There's one right there as well. And then there's the last one right there. So the bottom of this diffuser shouldn't go nowhere. Debating on whether or not I should put some more on it, like maybe like right here, where there's some gaps at, but I feel like it's gonna be alright. From right where I'm at, I can actually fit back here pretty well and do this. So yeah, this is how it's looking like. Next thing I gotta do now is just wire tap it. I'm about halfway done. Wire tap it and it should all be good. Make sure to heat up the adhesive, the mounting tape, after you put it on, so then it doesn't what's it called? So that it doesn't fall off. YouTube. Alright, so I eventually had to just take everything out the trunk, right? Because it was just getting in my way. I wired the wire in from the bottom, right, to here. But yeah, so I'm gonna put a clip up of the light flashing, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys how I wire tapped it. So basically, mine came with put this back. That shit was annoying having to put this back. Mine came with the wire tapping. Alright guys, so mine came with wire tapping, so I didn't have to do no soldering or anything like that. All that I had to do was just push the prongs into the wire harness, and that's it. But basically, I first did it right. The light wouldn't stop flashing; it was just constantly flashing. And I just went off for it, looked up a little bit, and the guy said to switch the white and the red wire, put red to green and white to red, and that got it working perfectly. So basically, now whenever I step on the brakes, it flashes. When my foot is off the brake and the lights are just on, it stays on too. So that's basically how you do it. Just when you do it, make sure that they're all in. Just you don't want these to fall out while you're driving, but I don't think I'm gonna have that problem. It's pretty tight back here. But yeah, I'm gonna put that clip up now. I'm gonna put everything into the trunk and we'll show you guys the finished product. Alright, YouTube. So, after about 2 hours, I think I started at around like 11. It's around 3 hours. So around 2 hours, after 2 hours, guys, I have finished the Q50 rear diffuser install. Light flashing. I'm gonna get a video of me driving it, and lights, you know, flashing when I step on the brakes and stuff like that. These F1 lights, that's what we're gonna call it. These are the F1 lights. And yeah, this is crazy. Super easy, I'm not gonna lie. Anybody could do this, but yeah, this shit is ridiculous. The diffuser is done. This is like about a month after, right? I didn't film an outro, so I'm filming the outro right now. This is how it looks like. It's amazing. It literally changes the whole look of the back. It makes it like way more aggressive, right? And like I said, it still functions. The light hasn't gone out on me yet, even though it's been like 3 months since I've had this on. It literally works so perfectly. I'm gonna go step on the brakes real quick and just watch this, all right? Flashes and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna link the diffuser in the description below so that you guys can see the one that I bought with the wire typing and whatnot, because I think that's the easiest one personally. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and stay easy.